Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to create this PDF in iText 7 library. So before we start, I would like to request you to write a comment in the comment box below. Have you ever thought that this is possible in the iText? So I am just waiting for your comment and let's start. So if you want to make one invoice like that, then first we need to have one image, and also for changing the background I have created one another image, because changing the color of PDF is a bit lengthy process. So instead of changing color I will use one image. So both images look like this. So this is the background image and its size is same as A4 size. Okay, and the another is this. Okay, so its width is same as A4, so it will be fit on the page. So what you need to do, just copy these two images and paste in the drawable folder. Okay, so I have already pasted that, and now let's start from this document. So first thing we need to change the margin, and margin will be 0000. So use this document object dot set margin and put 00. Okay, now we need to place this background image first, and after that we will put this another image on the top of this background image. So to place image, let's write the code that I have discussed in the previous videos. So we will call it D1. Bitmap drawable D1 dot get bitmap. Okay, now byte array output string. Now at this point we have JPG image, so we will use this. Byte array, that is bitmap data. Two byte array. Now image data. Okay, so now we have one image, one object, and we will use this to place background image on the PDF. But before that, let's create one another image, that is this. Okay, so For that we can just copy this from here. Okay, okay, so now we have both image. Let's change this drawable dot cover. Okay, so now we have both images. So what we need to do first, document dot add, and here we will put image 1 and we will set its position to 0 0 using this dot set fixed position, and position will be 0, 0. Okay, now the second image is document dot add image 2. Okay, so now let's try to run this. Now here PDF created, so let's open the PDF. Okay, so here we have only background image. So let's check what is the problem. Okay, I think this is missed, so again run. Okay, so now we got this background image and this cover image. Now we need to add these information, and here in this video you will also learn how to change the color of this table lines. Okay, so first create one table. Now copy this and paste for 8 times. Okay, so 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have 4 column and 2 rows. Now let's add the values here. So first is okay, so we have this table, and let's change its font size and other decorations. So first let's change the font size. And it will be 14. Now after that change the font color. Okay, so after that there will be no border, and for that here now add this table in the document. and run. Here one thing you can see, it is starting from left, so we need to add some margin. So what we will do here, column width 1, and then we will use table 1 dot set margin, and for example we will put 20. Okay, so now let's create second table, and for that here first we will create one color, and that color we will use here. Okay, so let's create this color. Device RGB secondary color, and its value is 8,106,119. Now column width and table object, so also set its margin, so table 2 dot set margin, and here we will put 20. Now we will create cells, so here we have 4 columns, so this is second, third and fourth. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add the values. Now here we have one column span, and for that one comma 2, and here okay, so add this table here, and now run. So here you can see we have this invoice, and now we need to change color of this table. Okay, so font color is now white, and the second thing is set border, no border. Okay, so instead of no border we need to change the border color, and for that here we will use solid border. So new solid border, and the first we will pass this color, so secondary color comma 1. Okay, so 1 is the width of line and this is the color. Okay, and let's copy this. Okay, so now border is ready and one thing is remaining, just set the background of this cell. Okay, okay, and also its font size the font size also should be changed. So what we need to do, just copy this and here we will put 18 because this text size is little bit big. Okay, so now let's run this and now PDF created and this is the PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF and I would request you to please write your comment. Are you able to create this PDF or not? And if you need any help, then you can just also write that in the comment box. So thanks for watching this video. Please join our Telegram chat group and where we can discuss more about your problems and progress. So please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.